Hi, buddy. Welcome to answersQ. The Indian multinational healthcare products company Kent Arvo Systems is recruiting for software developer trainee. So we'll be seeing all the details regarding this recruitment by Kent Arvo Systems in this video, and I'll also show you how you can apply for this job in Kent Arvo Systems. So do not skip this video. Watch till the end and get all the details. So let's get started. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. So let us get back to the content now. So the role is going to be software developer trainee, as I said, and anyone having 0 to 1 year of experience can apply for this recruitment. So even if you're a fresher or if you don't have any experience, if you are just graduated from the college, you can still apply to this job opening in Kent Arvo Systems, and the maximum salary can go up to 2 lakh per annum. And as this is a training, it is a good salary for a trainee, and the location is Delhi NCR. And moving on to job description, anyone with BTech can apply for this job recruitment, and freshers up to 1 year of work experience. So this is which we have already seen. And the next important point is experience of Java development is what they are looking for. So if you are good at Java, then you definitely have a good chance of getting this job role in Kent Arvo Systems. And the stipend is going to be 15,000 per month during the training period. And this job role, that is just a software developer role, is going to be a full-time permanent role, which will be under programming and design category, which is functioning under the IT software application programming and maintenance department. And the industry is, of course, it's consumer electronics, appliances and durables. And the key skill that they are looking for is Java. As I said, if you know Java programming language, if you are good at Java, then you are definitely having a better chance than others who do not know Java. So if you are good at Java, you can definitely apply for this job role in Kent Arvo Systems, as I said. And education is, which we have already seen, anyone in BTech with any specialization. And here you can see a short description about Kent Arvo Systems. And if you want to know about their company, you can just click on view contact details here. So you will see their address and other details here. So now let's see how to apply for this Kent Arvo Systems software developer trainee role. So you can see here apply button, just click on it, and then you will see a page like this, and which you can apply via naukri.com, or else you will see something like apply to job, and under that you can see a form where you need to fill in your details like your name, email ID, mobile number, and you have to give your current location. If you are outside of India, you just need to click on this box here, outside India, and then you have to select your country, and then you have to give your experience. So if you are a fresher or someone with 0 experience or 1 year, you just need to select it, and then you have to upload your resume. You can see here choose file, you have to click on it and upload your resume, and then you have to check this box and click on the submit button. So this is how you need to apply for this software developer trainee role in Kent Arvo Systems, or else you can also apply via naukri.com, as I said. And when you are coming to this page, once you click on the apply button, it will take some time to load this form here, apply to job. This form will take a few minutes to load, so wait and reload it so that you will see the form fully. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Kent Arvo Systems is recruiting for software developer trainee, and this is a good job role, software developer. It is going to be a very good experience with the top company in the world, Kent Arvo Systems. If you are interested, you can apply for this job role, and if you know Java, if you are good at Java, you can give a try. It is going to be a worthy experience for you. So I hope you'll find it useful. To get more job updates like this, you can visit answersq.com/jobs, and you can also subscribe to answersQ channel and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also connect with me on social media channels like Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.